Hey cuties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I want to start this video by apologizing for being inactive. I'm sorry, I haven't been doing good. I literally disappeared. But I'm back again with a new video, which is a wholesome vlog because this day was a mixture of productivity, creativity, calm, and culture. Everything. You're going to love this. So, as you can see, it started with my morning routine. I woke up at 5 am, made my bed, drank some water, and now I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm obsessed with the morning darkness, the morning silence. And here I'm at the library finally. You must be wondering why am I dressed up so pretty. The prettier I look, the harder I study. So I started studying. The silence in the library was perfect to have real good study sessions, and I did have them. For the people who ask what am I studying, I'm in the first year of college with my major subject as psychology, and I'm soon entering into the second year of college. Although I mention about what am I studying in every video's description. I feel really hungry, so I'm gonna go down in a canteen in this library to eat something. And I've ordered something, waiting for that to come. Here I am back again at the library after eating something to have my last few study sessions of the day. Done with studying, I'm packing my bags now and leaving for an art workshop.
Model for Jodhpur where we have introduction as well when we go upstairs so that everyone as well. And there are a couple of faces we have seen. This exhibition has been in collaboration with Gallery Espace.
Draw something here. So supposingly I am just doing a circle right here. You need to be very careful while you do it.
Below it or something. It must be below.
Capture the moment, feels so right. Living my life through these lines every night. Happy with my camera, it feels like a dream. Sharing my world through this bright screen.
ये है कि अगर आप टीचर से आपकी अच्छी बात
This is it for the art workshop and it was really therapeutic. Now it's time to take more of a therapy by going to the park in the calm to meet my favorite trees. I'm almost home now.